The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for Central Liberty County in southeastern Texas until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Plum Grove, Oregon, 10 miles southeast of Cleveland, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Liberty County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.